Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito lang po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan ka ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na abangan. Sinusubayban ang pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Ang ating reading po ngayon ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Virgo. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, para sa inyo ito. May mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nakaabang, nanonood at ang bibigay nakakataba sa puso na suporta at komento. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. I hope and I pray na nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. At kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po at nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading ngayon, don't hesitate to comment po, nag-reply po ako sa mga comments, like and share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Sige po. Ulitin ko, this is for you, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Last shuffle at wag na natin patagalin pa because I know that you're so excited. Last shuffle for you, Venus, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay. Sige, kunin na natin ang yung 10 baraha. Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 10 cards please for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi nyo ako iniwan, lalong-lalo na sa muling pagbabalik na medyo matagal na panahon na wala tayong uploads. But here, naging overwhelming po ang inyong suporta sa akin. Maraming salamat. So, we have 4 cards already. 6 cards more. Balik natin to kasi nagpakita. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Maraming salamat po. Ulitin ko po, kapag nakaresonate po kayo, don't hesitate to comment. Nagbabasa, nag-reply po ako ng mga comments, like, share nyo po. And please, hingin ko na pong tulong sa inyo ay mag-subscribe po kayo. Kasi kapag dumami po lalong subscribers natin, of course, mas lalong lalawak ang ating channel at lalawak din ang reach ng ating mga videos. Marami tayong mga soulmates na matutulungan na mabigyan ng soulful and meaningful na reading. Okay, last 4 cards please. 3 cards more for Virgo, Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Okay, 2 more. 2 na lang. Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Okay. Kinuha ko na yung 2 cards. So, Virgo, your 10 cards are complete. Kamusta kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great, Virgo. Virgo. Ang ating mga matatalino at talented na Virgo. Okay? Ooh, Virgo, Ace of Cups. So, Ace of Cups. Aside from new beginning, I can see here. I am telling you, Virgo, you are kunting panahon na lang, kunting intay na lang. Recovery period mo to. I am telling you, you will be recovering, makakabangon ka. New beginning, this Ace of Cups signifies new chapter. A lot of doors have closed for you, but tinanggap mo ito ng buong puso, buong kalooban. But the universe will be sending you something bigger, more beautiful, and it will give you so much happiness. This is where you are aligned. Itong papalit na to, na ibibigay sa kumbaga, dito ka na talaga naka-align. Kumbaga, ito talaga yung kagustuhan mo. Ito na talaga ang matagal nang gusto mong pasukan na trabaho or gustong mangyari makamit. And this is where you will be happy and you will feel the contentment that you are longing for. Okay? Page of Cups, harvest season. To those Virgo na nanonood ngayon, maybe you are questioning your worth. You have questioned your decisions for the past months or the past time na tama bang ginawa ko. Kasi parang hindi umaayon sa'yo ngayon ang takbo ng universe. Okay, it seems that you've been waiting, you have a lot of confusions, you are a lot of things running on your mind regarding with the decisions that you made. But I am telling you with this Page of Cups, Virgo, you did the right thing. You did the right decision. Maybe it's not manifesting as of now, but sabi ko ulitin nga, konting-konti na lang. It's just a matter of timing. It's just a matter of perfect timing or the patience or the discipline of patience sa pag-aantay para sa'yo. But this Page of Cups represents harvest season. Aanihin mo talaga. So, you will be overwhelmed. Even you will be surprised. Talagang hindi to basta-bastang parating sa'yo. Talagang Virgo, this is massive. Talagang malaki to. So, ayan o. Look, 8 of Pentacles. Talagang itong darating sa'yo, minamanifest mo, or itong kapalit na ibibigay sa universe is not, sabi ko nga, massive. Sobrang laki to the point na tingnan mo, it will give you the stability in terms of finances. Kumbaga, ito na talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang income, kumbaga to the point na makakapag-ipon ka, makakapag-invest ka, makakabili ka ng mga panibagong properties, kung may mga nawala, kung may mga naibenta ka, kung nung itong mga nakaraan just to survive, mababawi mo yon. And here talagang money-making machine. So talagang there will be stability for your Virgo. You don't need to worry. You just need to claim it. I know that you are a very spiritual also person. Alam mo ang lahat. That's why kumbaga, relax na lang kampante because you know that everything will be working for you. Kumbaga, alam mo sa likod ng kurtinang yan, may hinahandang mas malaki sa'yo. And this Eight of Pentacles is a signal, or it's a sign that something big na parating sa iyo or ipapalit sa iyo ng universe ay talagang magbibigay sa iyo ng stability, katatagan, matatag na pundasyon na makakapagbigay sa iyo ng pera, not only pera, but sa trabaho or kung ano man yan na talagang you're not going to worry anymore. This is a recovery period. At sinabi ko nga, massive to ha, hindi to basta maliit lang, nakapalit, talagang malaki. At the same time, you will be so happy kasi dito na talaga yung alignment mo. Ito na talaga yung naka-align sa skills mo. So, ito yung talagang gustong-gusto mo. Ito yung mahal na mahal mong gawin. So, we have the Empress card. Virgo, unti-unting manunumbalik ang iyong, for the past months, for the past time, parang medyo napabayaan mo sarili mo. Napabayaan mo yung how you dress, how you present yourself to the outside world or to the community. Kasi nga parang 'di ba na busy ka, ang daming parang masyadong na stress ka, ang dami mong nais ma-solve, ang nais mong ayusin, parang napabayaan mo to the point sa pagpapagupit, parang everything parang napabayaan mo. But here there will be a recovery period in terms of confidence. Magdadamit ka uli ng maganda, magme-makeup ka uli, whatsoever, maggagamit ka uli ng skincare, you will be regaining. So you will be feeling young again. Mag-shine uli yung mukha. It's like you will be radiating again, and of course, you will be still attractive to the crowd. So Virgo are also good-looking people. At the same time, yung advantage nila or yung alas nila, yung kanilang pagiging matalino. Okay? So that's why, aside from pagiging matalino, mas lalong mo attract ang mga associates or mga tamang tao sa paligid mo if you present yourself nicely. Okay? Kapag nagdamit ka ng maayos, So, Knight of Cups, talagang mayroong success. So, I am telling you again, I am reminding you again, Virgo, merong iba dyan sa inyo na talagang you are at the edge of giving up, please. The cards are not lying. This Knight of Cups is reminding you, Virgo, you will be going home claiming the victory. So, ayan galing ka sa laban, hawak-hawak mo ang trophy. So, you're riding in a horse. This is the year of the horse this year. So, this will be a very, very beautiful year for you. Matagumpay talaga itong year para sa Virgo. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Kahit sa ang reader nyo mapanood, sa ang social media mapanood, laging Virgo is sinasabing magiging maganda kapalaran this year. And the cards are not lying. The Knight of Cups represents, success, achievement, so talagang wish being granted, fulfillment para sa iyo. Yan, hawak-hawak mo ang success, pauwi ka, talagang inuwi mo. Against all odds, nilabanan mo, talagang lumaban ka, talagang ikaw pa rin ang nagwagi sa huli. Virgo, so, oh my God, tingnan mo, kasunod ng Knight of Cups, so ayan Knight of Pentacles na naman. Huwag kang mag-worry about pera. Kung yun ang worry mo, sabi ko sa'yo Knight of Cups, Virgo, talaga mapabawi mo. Sabi ko, siksik, liglig, umaapaw, hindi, massive talagang ipapalit sa universe. Diba hawak-hawak, galing ka sa isang laban, sa isang gera, siguro ang dami mong pinoblema na mga may kinalaman sa pera. Masasolve mo ito. Hindi lang basta masasolve, hindi mo lang masasettle ang lahat. Ang kapalit nito na pera ay mas doble, triple, mas marami pa. And here you are, uwi ka, sakay na naman ng kabayo, at ang hawak mo ngayon, kung kanina ay cups or tropeyo, ngayon ay pera. So talagang, there's no question, Virgo. You don't need to question your worth. You don't need to question yung kasalukuyan mong kalagayan. Kasi if you believe, if you have faith in the universe na talagang in the sweetest time, in perfect timing, talaga, hindi, ewan ko sa'yo kung kayanin mo. Sinasabi ko ewan ko sa'yo kung kakayanin mo ang ibibigay sa'yo. So, Eight of Cups, Virgo, there will be a lot of opportunities that will doors of opportunities that will be opening for you. You will be considering a lot of options. You will be considering a lot of choices. Hindi mo alam. This is a good problem kasi hindi mo alam kung alin ang pipiliin mo, alin ang uunahin mo sa sobrang dami ng opportunities for you. And lately, parang naging limited. Parang nung nakaraan, parang limited lang. Parang medyo stagnant. Parang ang bagal. But now, this is a new Virgo na talagang problema, ang daming problema, pero ang problema niya ay maganda kasi hindi niya alam kung alin ang pipiliin niya. Parang mahihirapan ko, alin bang pipiliin ko sa trabaho na to. Of course, kasi pare-pareho naman silang magaganda, but alin ang mas malaking sahod dito? Alin bang business ang gusto ko? Ito, may ino-offer sa akin, may tulong na ino-offer. Parang ganun. Okay? This is a good problem for you, Virgo. Judgment card. So, wish fulfillment, manifestations being granted. Talagang marami kang mga bulong, marami kang mga panalangin na binabato sa universe sa Panginoon. And I am telling you again, lumabas ang Knight of Cups, lumabas ang Knight of Pentacles, lumabas ang Ace of Cups. You don't need to question. You don't need to worry. Cast all your doubts. Tanggalin mo lahat ng frustrations, lahat ng disappointments mo, lahat ng mga pagdududa mo sa worth mo, sa halaga ng buhay mo. This judgment card, Virgo, I am telling you, whatever manifestations that you have, whatever wishes and prayers that you are sending to the universe, it will be granted. Not only granted, but it will be given to you in perfect timing and to those time na parang hindi mo pa inakala, at the same time talagang magugulat ka. This is massive. This is very massive for you. Temperance, magkatabat siya ng Empress. So, still, you will be kind of Virgo na natuto na. You will be a kind of Virgo na may disiplina na sa lahat ng aspeto ng bagay. Ikaw na yung taong hindi na basta-basta maiisahan, hindi na basta-basta ma-manipulate or basta-basta maluloko, maabuso, magpapagamit. Even circles of family, even friends or people that you love, kapag hindi na maganda naman yung treatment sa'yo or parang wala naman talaga, puro ikaw lang yung bigay, at the same time wala namang balik until the time that you needed them most, you're going to cut off. And this is for your own good. This is for your own growth. If it is necessary, kung kailangan gawin, wag mo lang sabihin, wag mo lang intindihin kung anong magiging reaction mga tao sa paligid. Ang kinaya niyang mag-cut off ng family member, ng friends, samantalang yung pinagsamahan nila. Yes, if it's necessary. It's not being selfish, hindi ito pagiging selfish, but it's for your own sake. It's for your own growth, Virgo. Ulitin ko. Kung kinakailangan, please, ikaw ang klaseng Virgo na hindi na basta-basta mauuto at maaabuso. 10th and last card, Virgo, tapusin natin itong reading mo with this 5 of Wands. So, what I'm saying is that I can see here, Virgo, na parang kung dati ang mga klase ng Virgo ay parang solving or doing things, settling things alone, kinakaya nilang solusyonan or gawin ang mga bagay-bagay na mag-isa. But now, you will be, kumbaga, bagong klaseng Virgo to, na parang i-open mo naman yung buhay sa paghingi ng tulong o pakikipag-cooperate sa iba. There's nothing wrong about it. Walang masama dyan kasi talaga nagbabago naman ang mga mindset natin or mga paniniwala natin sa buhay. But the good thing is para naman to sa ikakabuti mo. Although skillful ka, matalino ka, magaling ka, na nalagpasan mo lahat ng bagay, nagagawa mo ng paraan by your own, sa sarili mo lang. But still, mas maganda pa rin kapag may tulong ng iba. Okay, kapag nakipag-collaborate tayo o nakipag-network tayo sa iba. Of course, pipiliin naman natin yung mga tao o yung network na aligned sa skills or aligned sa kagustuhan mo, at the same time growth or makakatulong, makakontribute. Hindi naman yung makikipag-cooperate ka at baka may stress or sakit naman ang ulang dulot nito para sa inyo. Then, wag na lang. Okay? So, that's it. I hope nasundan nyo at nagustuhan yung isang napakagandang reading natin, mga pinamahal kong Virgo. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign ng Virgo makapanood to ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ulitin ko kapag naka-resonate po kayo at nagustuhan yung ating reading, huwag nyo pong kalimutan mag-comment, like, and share. And of course, don't hesitate to subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ano man ang ginagawa nyo, nasa magandang roon, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.